Indian Forces personnel arrested two Kashmiri youth in the Shopian district. The Forces personnel during a cordon and search operation arrested the youth identified as Zahid Ahmed and Anwar Khan in the DK area of the district. In order to justify the arrest, the Forces personnel claimed to have recovered two pistols, two magazines, dozens of rounds and two grenades from them. Indian Forces personnel conducted house raids at the multiple locations in the Poonch district to create a climate of fear and harassment in the occupied Kashmir. The Forces personnel conducted house raids and searches at nearly 18 places, mostly targeting the houses of the pro-freedom activists and their relatives, the police officer said. All-party Hurriyat Conference has urged the Kashmiris living on both sides of the line of control and across the world to unite against the Indian occupation, political injustice and the violent operations against the innocent people in the occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said, Indian troops and the police personnel have arrested thousands of Kashmiris, including activists, during massive house raids and lodged them in different jails and the police stations under the black laws. As part of the ongoing Hafta-e-Shahadat commemorations marking the 35th assassination anniversary of the Mirwais, Maulvi Muhammad Farooq Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar organized a special day-long program featuring Quran Khani, a congregational prayer meet and a grand Quran recitation competition at the Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. Mirwais Farooq was assassinated on May 21st, 1990 at his Nagin residence in Srinagar. Dr. Ali Khan Mahmoodabad, an associate professor at the Ashoka University and a noted political commentator, was arrested by the Haryana police following a complaint filed by a leader of the BJP's youth wing. The complaint lodged by the Yogesh Jatheri, General Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha in Haryana, alleges that Dr. Muradabad's comments on the social media on the context of the Operation Sindoor were hurtful.